Welcome everybody to this video. My name is Max and I am from Laser Beast Lab. I just recently hit a huge milestone and now I am full-time with a laser business. So I've learned a lot of things on my journey and I'd like to share them with you. So in this video, you're going to see 5 tips on things that I wish I kind of knew while going into the laser business. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So the first tip I want to share with you should go without saying, but if you don't have this habit, then I suggest making it. You want to make sure to inspect and clean your machine on a regular basis. Maintaining your machine will keep your machine ready for action and increase the lifespan. So it's good to just kind of peek around your machine once in a while and make sure that everything is in working order and there's nothing. Your business runs on a laser machine, so you need to show it some love from time to time just to make sure you don't stop working. The next tip I want to share with you is to create your own website. Having a website is the easiest and best way to give your business a storefront so people can browse what you offer. Websites can be daunting to some, but with the help of CMS sites like Shopify, WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, and more, you can create it much easier than it used to be. Still too much work? Consider adding your products to Etsy. They charge some fees here and there, but in exchange they offer a super easy platform to list your products, as well as provide a huge audience at your fingertips. Having a website or Etsy page gives you the opportunity to point people to your store where they can access it 24/7. It's like an employee that never sleeps. For the next tip, once you have that website set up, you want to offer products that can help automate your sales. If you have a website or Etsy and plan on making sales online, add some products that can sell without the need for you to converse with every customer. Talking takes time, and you probably would rather spend your time making things. Products like pre-made items such as seasonal signs and decor are items anyone can purchase at any time. It's a good feeling waking up in the morning seeing an order that you can just ship out. Over time, you can even create your own website to start selling customizable products that customers can order through your website without needing to hold their hand through the whole process. So once you have a website and you start to list products on that, the next tip is going to be about shipping. Shipping can also be a struggle because of how pricey it can be, especially with bigger or heavier objects. Fortunately, there are services like ShipStation, Shippo, Pirate Ship, or even Shopify has a built-in shipping platform that offers excellent discounted rates. These options will save you so much money over time that it's best to get started on them right away. My last and final tip for this video is to have multiple suppliers for every product or supply that it takes to run your business. No matter how awesome your supplier is, you should always have backup. I've had this happen many times where a customer purchased something from me and loved it so much they ordered more. Well, there was one time where after taking the order in, I go to my supplier to bring in the product and they were all sold out. So since then, I've kept a spreadsheet of suppliers for everything. I update it most of the time I order. If they're running low, I'll make note. And I also keep a ballpark price of each supplier too and take notes of ship time so that I can have a better idea of how attainable those supplies are. It's best to take as detailed notes as you can take with your suppliers so that way you're never caught in a situation where you can't make a sale. So to recap on what we've learned, you want to maintain your machine, create your own website, offer products that can help automate your sales, look into discounted shipping, and also have multiple suppliers for every product or supply. These 5 tips are ones that I would suggest to myself when I was starting out, so I hope that it helped you out some too. Each tip can be a topic on their own, but I hope that by covering the basics, it can give you some ideas to get things going for your business.